Did you know that during World War II, Japanese doctors murdered thousands of people in the name of science? In a secret place called Unit 731, a man named Shiro Ishii ran the most evil medical experiments in history. From 1937 to 1945, they captured Chinese prisoners and used them like lab rats. They injected people with deadly diseases like plague and anthrax just to watch them die. They froze prisoners alive to study frostbite. They cut people open while they were still awake to see how their organs worked. The worst part? They killed up to 3,000 people every single year. It was like a factory of death disguised as a hospital. When the war ended, America made a deal with these monsters. Instead of putting them in prison, they gave them freedom in exchange for their research data. Most of these killers became respected doctors in Japan and lived normal lives. The victims never got justice. Their screams were silenced by politics and cover-ups that lasted decades.